it's a proper blow that.
Bad as that, isn't it?
Oh, let's look at tread on that.
Good morning, start to another week here. Paradise it is, Monday morning. Few puddles this morning, so it's actually come down a lot over the weekend, but yeah, the guys just loading up here, do a job for our good friend Dave Beardo at DB Fabrication. Got all this stuff up back at van there. Justin's putting tools in his, he's going to go give a man for day. I'm just going to catch up on some admin office work in the office here. Got a delivery coming this morning, so I'll do that. And then I've got a job to see this afternoon over at Batley at a school, and some access control work, so I'm meeting Matt over there as well. So yeah, then tomorrow I've got a job over in Keighley for the council over there at allotments, and I must admit I forgot what we've got on rest of the week, but a few too many beers this Friday I was networking, so I had a few then. Saturday we were out, my friend's birthday, so yeah, all in all been a good weekend, so no doubt the lads will get some footages to go along.
So we're over in Sheffield with Baggy and Jamie. Jamie's done absolutely naught this morning, pretty much just walked around, talked to loads of crap to client, and then got a brew. But yeah, we're 18 metres in today, Feather Edge. We did this last time we were here, I remember that video.
We're referring to them as pals from Sheffield.
Jamie, you ain't got no pals, mate. So that's about it. So we'll get this done today. We'll be out of here for 2 o'clock. Alright, so we've got it railed, post and capping on. Just going to start paling it now. Me and Baggy are bringing pails around while Jamie pails it up. Get this done and we're out of here. Looking good. So just finishing up in Sheffield, where we did a job a couple of months back now, and it's gone well. So we absolutely putting it down for the last hour. It's only just stopped, and this is what we did last time. It's looking good. So been talking, he's getting a massive extension off of here, and he's getting a nice big man cave up here. So yeah, it looks good. To be honest, it's a really nice little house. And all way to well, looking good. Looking real good.
Hi there, yeah, well, follow on from this morning. Lads have just got back now. Bit of a nightmare day. What are you saying, Jamie? Professional puncture makers, these lads. if he ain't getting one, these are. It's like flipping blowout up motorways, so they've just got back now. Wait till you see this here. Let's turn it round in a minute.
Oh, it's proper blow that.
Bad as that, isn't it?
Oh, let's look at tread on that. No, actually wrong with tyre.
Situation.
No, it could have been worse, like, couldn't it?
There's not wrong with it.
Bad, brand new tyre though.
You think
There should be reinforced sides, shouldn't there?
Remo?
I think it's just.
Yeah, it's a brand new van. It's got manufacturers. It's
Imperfection in tyres just got.
yeah. So anyway, brand new tyre, brand new van, and that's what happens. But anyway, Justin's gonna drop it off now and get another one, so that won't be cheap. So we're all a bit paid off because nobody's hurt out today, and just going to cost a load of money. But that's what happens now and again. Not you can do, is there? So we'll try again tomorrow. Good morning. Start of another little job here. We're just over in Keighley at some allotments. Quite a nice harbour and everything sat there actually. Yeah, we're just coming to basically put a little 1.2 metre high fence up top of this wall here. I think it's just to stop. Basically, I think these lot are throwing stuff over and tipping. Lads are just going to get set up. They can probably go around there, I think, and park up there. It's something to know. It's only like 20 metres bolting. Although we've just noticed this wall looks a bit lean in there. To be honest, it's not so bad up there. So we'll just start where that is there. Come along there. step it down a little bit. And it's only going to like corner at building there. Keighley Town Council is the council bloke. I arranged to meet at 9:30, but me and Justin have got to shoot off now. We've got to get over to Lincoln for 11, which will take 2 and a bit hours. For a big job we've got at the school there coming up. Hopefully I'll get some footage. What are you saying, Justin? Oh?
Alright.
He's happy today, Justin.
Spend day with Uncle Mark, don't I?
Yeah, so we'll get off now and we'll leave them to it.
Completion video, Keighley allotments. Twin wire extended posts. Put a little return in there. Ended on this gable end here, like we said.
Hello there. Mid-morning already. I just haven't had time to film or do anything this morning as yet, been that busy. Got lads loaded up and away early doors this morning. Yeah, they're going to do a little job over in Huddersfield, 30 metres and a set of double gates. It's actually a private job. It's outside of the canal river. Lovely little spot. So he's just wanting to make a bit of a secure yard. So yeah, that'll be a nice, should be an easy enough job for him today. They'll get that whapped off.
Found him straight away, Mark. I tell you what, you're gonna like these, mate. Watch these. Watch this. You like them, don't you?
So guys here now, customer we're actually working for today. Just finishing gates off now. It's gone in smoothly. There's a massive cobble road under this, so we're a bit of an hard dig, but we got there in the end. Weather's just opened up on us as well. Goes all the way up to the top, follows through. We'll go down now and have a look at the other side. There's actually a massive rat's nest and beehive as well while we were digging in this. All bushes and stuff. And then I'll jump down here. And it goes all the way to the wall there. Looking good. Okay, so there's going to do drop bolts now, and then job's a good one.
Friday again already. Soon gets round to that. It's just starting to rain actually. Looks like it's going to come down heavy. That's forecast it. I've just been actually to drop some post mix off for a customer of ours. Justin's actually off today. He's got toothache or something, bless him. Yeah, but anyway, so yeah, it's just about to pee it down. I'm actually just gonna fill some of our water tubs up here. I'll get them filled because these are actually filled up, and it's forecast a load of bad weather over the weekend. It's typical, and we're on some barges tomorrow. There's a few of us. I think there's 14 or 16 of us. We booked them ages ago, but with train strikes we never went. So yeah, we've got to do that tomorrow in Skipton. The lads today are just doing a little mesh job over at Alton School for Beckfoot Trust. I think it's 30 metres, 2 metre IV mesh. We'll soon get that done. They'll be done for just after dinner, I would have thought. So yeah, nice easy day for them. I'm just going to go down to the other office now and pick some. I've had a delivery up for some things to put on bottom of a gate that we'll do in a couple of weeks. So yeah, all in all, pretty good, nice and steady. And just whilst I'm here, I'd like you to thank you all subscribers, and don't forget to give us a like and a comment, and we'll plod on and we'll see you next time. Thank you.